Okay, we're gonna open our door to see what happened last night. Oh my God, look at the size of that drift. God, wow.
Look at this compared to me.
Oh my God. Let's see, walk out there, T. Walk out there. Walk out there. Hurry, jump over that snowdrift. Please.
Oh my God!
God, look at that. Yeah, we gotta shut this man. Oh, boy. Oh. Ah. Ah. Look at the snowdrifts.
The wall against the car.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Look at the. Let's walk through here, T. So you got snowdrifts piled up. Look at some of these cars, man. Ah.
Look at the Prius.
So the cars are basically covered up here. Still snowing pretty heavily.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Then look at the side of my house.
Holy cow. Got a lot of shoveling to do.